Hello, and welcome to the one and only channel on YouTube dedicated to educating the viewers on how to improve financial literacy. This video will teach you everything you need to know to launch a successful drop shipping store. You'll want to hear about the 4 stages that will get your internet store up and running. It's crucial in today's rapidly evolving global economy to be aware of the myriad of fresh approaches to doing business that are cropping up daily. In order to ensure that you are notified whenever we release a new video, please like and subscribe to our channel before we begin today's video. Let's get down to business right now. Attempting to create a drop shipping store from scratch can be very stressful. It is difficult to even know where to begin because there are many various steps and techniques to choose from. There are 4 primary components that must be present in order to create a profitable drop shipping store. The first is your actual product. The second is your physical retail location. The third is your marketing strategy and how you attract people. And the fourth is the actual management of your company and the fulfillment of customer orders. Let's begin by talking about the products. It's pretty much difficult to have success with drop shipping if you don't have a product that people want to buy. You are in luck, because there are a lot of different things available that you can sell each and every week. Because there are always new items that are successful. There are always new chances. When evaluating a product to see if it has the potential to be successful, there are basically just 3 criteria that should be considered. The first thing to consider is whether or not the product has recently been popular on social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram. People are already interested in this product, which is a good sign that you may be able to earn money off of it as long as you do something that is somewhat better than what they are currently doing. The second element that must be considered is the attractiveness to the general public. Products that can be bought by a large number of people are my absolute favorites to buy and sell. Don't get excited about the things that have such a specific target audience that only a handful of individuals can use them. If we ever want to establish something of significant size, we need a product that is marketable to the greatest number of people possible. If it's solely for women or only for men, for example, then it's not the best. But if it's open to a wider audience, then that's ideal. Your pursuit of healthy margins of profit should be your very last priority. Being able to sell the goods at a price that is 3 times higher than the amount it costs to ship it to the consumer. Do you think you would ace selling items for thrice the price? If you think you can, like this video. Now, how exactly do you go about locating these products? Simply checking through your Facebook and Instagram feeds on a daily basis is the tried and true strategy. It never fails to deliver the desired results. You are going to be the focus of advertisements for products available through drop shipping. You will eventually get targeted with one of these adverts. And when that happens, you will have to demonstrate to Facebook that you are interested in it. Therefore, they will begin suggesting other things to you, and your feed will eventually become the most effective product research tool that you have access to. Identifying a product that satisfies these requirements is the first order of business. It's imperative to establish a retail outlet once you've got the product ready to sell. A variety of retail establishments exist. You could open a general store, which sells a wide variety of items, and you could create a hybrid store that combines the best features of specialty shops and department stores. You can try out a wide variety of things at a convenience shop. Although you'll be unable to sell as much with a single product business, customers will have a greater faith in you and be more likely to make a purchase. In a hybrid store, you may create the branded atmosphere of a single product store while also testing out a wide variety of products. I might suggest that you base your store's design on other successful establishments That is, you would take your product, open a store, and stock it with other items that are quite similar to the one that you are selling. That is the proper way to start out. Can you now think of the easiest way for you to build your drop shipping store through all the tips already given? If yes, share them below. Up next, having visitors and buyers on your website is essential. Facebook advertisements are the go-to whenever launching a new shop. Facebook advertising is not cheap. In fact, it is advisable that you save up at least a couple $100s before beginning an ad campaign. However, the main advantage of this strategy is that it allows you to launch your business quickly. Once you have a successful product and advertising strategy in place, your daily sales can skyrocket from a few to hundreds of dollars. I suggest you all learn how to run advertisements because it's far more difficult to do so with free visitors. An advertisement campaign begins with the production of a promotional video. Once you have a video commercial for your product finished, you can begin airing it. You need to make sure that your video ad is flawless in every way. There should be no misspelled words or awkward edits, and the entire thing should flow smoothly. The next step is to build a store-specific Facebook and Instagram accounts. Now that that's out of the way, you can start over by making a campaign consisting of 5 ad variations. Simply said, ad sets are collections of people to whom you will be displaying your ads. You should group 3 to 5 related interests inside each ad package. Consider 5 demographics who might buy your product. In terms of countries, it is suggested that the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia be prioritized. At the very least, give it 2 days to run before checking in on the outcomes. Either your product is selling well and you're seeing continuous revenue, or it's a total bust and you've lost everything. However, in the second case, it's acceptable if the product fails to sell upon release. First attempt at testing a product rarely results in a successful launch. Once you've identified your weak spots, you may begin to work on strengthening them. Another product launch in the same marketplace can be repeated until a successful product is found. So there you have it. A short and sweet rundown on how to use Facebook to attract new clients. There's a lot more to advertising, but I hope that helps get you started. To wrap things up, you want to make sure orders get fulfilled and the customers are satisfied. Taking care of orders is a breeze. When orders are coming in, you need to make sure to check your email every day so that you don't leave them hanging, since drop shipping often involves lengthy transit times. Client satisfaction is of the utmost importance. That's a very methodical plan for launching a brand new retail outlet. And that sums up our video for today. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And please share your ideas with me in the comments section. I'm interested in what you have to say. Having said that, make sure you subscribe and enable notifications so that you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. See you in the next one!